Hi, my name is Tiffanie Mang. As concept artists, you're tasked to create fantastical environments that take the audience to a new world. But where do you draw that inspiration from? From the world around you. Your ideas are grounded in the shapes and colors you see in the landscapes around you, and there's no better way to enhance those ideas by painting and practicing in a physical environment. Might I say, en plein air? You might say, my tools are digital, and now in the 21st century, I have all the references I need at the tip of my fingers. But I can assure you that painting in a physical environment with real paints will not only make you a better artist traditionally, but digitally as well. For one, you see more colors on location than from photo, which will train you to use more unique color relationships in your digital pieces. Color mixing traditionally also helps you understand the fundamentals of color relationships and why colors work together because you had to mix it yourself and not color pick. And most importantly, you practice building muscle memory and how different lighting scenarios affect the way you perceive color, besides just relying on photo reference. And of course, there's no Control Z, so you have to learn to problem solve and be flexible. In the end, one should look at plein air painting like exercise, essential for maintaining good health and building up muscle for strong color and composition. That's why I'm so excited to announce that I will be teaching the first online plein air painting class with CGMA, creating landscapes and plein air, where we will be plein air painting with gouache. This class will be a combination of in-studio studies and outdoor studies in plein air. We will start off by studying master painters, and I'll guide you through the basics of how to create simple monotone value studies, which is the crux of creating a good painting. From value and composition, we will dive into color mixing, color relationships, and brush economy. And you'll do all this with just 2 brushes on a 5x7-inch canvas and a simple color palette. What's more, I won't be teaching you from behind my computer screen. You'll be traveling with me to different parts of LA that present different landscape scenarios, from more nature-themed to more architectural-based. But don't worry about having to be in these exact locations. This class is designed so that you can be anywhere in the world and learn how to paint great landscapes in gouache. It's because I'm not teaching you how to paint the LA River or downtown. I'm teaching you how to create a successful painting from the inside out and equipping you with the most important fundamentals of design, composition, and color so that you can go out and paint anything around you, whether it be the tree in your backyard or the Seine River. My goal for this class is that you will use the power of plein air painting to strengthen your skills as a concept artist. Most importantly, I hope that you'll find the thrill of sitting outside on location, capturing the impression of what is in front of you with colors only you can see with your own eyes. So what are you waiting for? Hope to see you in class.